Welcome back to K&L Farms. I'm Ken. I hope this video finds you well. We staged these blocks probably a couple years ago. We had a had a project for them, and that project came and went. They kind of bug us where they're located because you're on the main driveway, and see that cat? That's a new kitten. That's Ollie. But in any case, we try driveway snow. We move snow into this area, so I'm going to try and get some of these blocks moved out of the way. Tractor in the background. I'll put a set of forks on those, and I'll theme the forks on my Amazon account if you'd like to go look at them. But I don't know if the tractor will actually pick up this. That's probably a quarter pallet, maybe 3/8 of a pallet. Ollie wants up here in the shot, but I don't know if it'll pick it up, and then we'll go over a little bit. Just because you put forks on and you can pick up the pallet doesn't mean that the tractor is actually safe to move the pallet, because the center of gravity from the tractor actually extends once you get the forks put on, which I'll show you here in just a minute. Okay, tractor's running. I'll put these on the Amazon account in the description if you'd like to look at them. And also remember, I'm hoping you can hear me over the tractor, just because you put a set of forks on the front of your utility tractor doesn't mean it can pick up everything in the world. And if you can pick it up, the tractor gets unstable due to the weight. So let's try and pick that pallet up. I don't think I can, but let's try. Okay, got the forks inside the pallet. I already know the answer, but I'll show you. And I put some blocks in the bucket itself just to counterweight, so let's try and pick that up a little bit. I don't know what it means. Okay, so the tractor will not pick that up. So all I'm going to do is put that bucket over there, and I'll come back with the pallet forks and pick up that pallet and then start inverting. Okay, so we've concluded that the forks won't work and this pallet is extremely heavy. So I'll just go back to doing it the old way. Fill that bucket up full of blocks, move them over, set them on a pallet. Now these forks actually come in handy, and the main purpose I use them for is loading logs on to put on the sawmill. But let's just get some of these blocks through in that bucket real quick. Now that tractor will pick up that bucket probably full of blocks. I've done it before, but it won't pick up this pallet. got a spare pallet. We have a lot of them on the homestead. Just start staging these up on this pallet, and then I'll stack them here later on after I get them staged on this new pallet.